All right, we're ready to get started. In this first section, we're going to be talking about getting set up. If you've never used a crypto software, this is one of them that I like to use. It's called Coinly. There's plenty of others out there: Zenledger, TaxBit, CoinTracker, CoinTracker.info. A little love the dashboard, but you're going to see with these API connections, some work better than others. And I find Coinly to be really good. We're going to go over some of the pro tips, which if you're already familiar on the crypto tax softwares and how to use them, skip over to the third video because I'm going to go over the pro tips that I see, because I've done hundreds of these calculations at this point, and there's certain things that you just got to look at right away. You know are problems, you know how to fix them, and I can promise you, if you do this and you're already familiar with the software, just those pro tips will put yourself in a much better situation and make you feeling much more comfortable with the numbers that are going to be presented. So just let's get set up. When you first sign in, there's going to be just a regular dashboard here. There's no wallets connected. You can see 000 transactions, tax reports. So let's go and connect a wallet. And this is where it's really just an API connection. And this is step one, the basics of the basics. So I'm sure most of us have Coinbase. So Coinbase is the easiest of them all. All you need to do is literally log in. So if I log in, need your code. Let's put the code in real quick. I'm going to move fast because I want to make this quick, easy, and simple for people. I don't want people to get bored. So we're going to move quick and we're going to have fun here today. So just put this in, you verify, and here you'll have already connected like this, authorize it, your Coinbase. This is so easy. All you do is log in. You log in every day. It starts to get a little trickier after that. Once you start getting into the more complex transactions, let me show you the steps after that. So first and foremost, let's show you Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pro is you're going to have to API connect. And I'm only going to show this example because every single example is exactly the same as this. So let's go to Coinbase Pro. It should automatically log me in since I was just there. Coffee. Okay. All right. For the most part, every single exchange is going to have an icon of some sorts in the top right. When you click on that icon, it is going to be a button that says API management. And as we see here, it just says API. So if we click on API, we have this section. We're going to ask for a new API key. API nickname, use the nickname for the tax software they're using. For example, this is Coinly test. I'm going to put. Now, every single exchange may be a little bit different, but ultimately you're going to have some sort of permissions. Now, there's view permission, which allows you to actually just see what's going on in the exchange. There's transfer, which allows you to transfer money in and out. So why would you want to transfer? A bank would want transfer connection with your Coinbase, so it allows you to deposit or withdraw money. Then you also have trade. A lot of bots want trading API connection because they want to trade on your behalf. So the API connection that we're going to be doing now is just view. It's the most basic of them all, so don't worry about security. If you were doing a transfer or a trade, then yes, I would be a little more worried on doing this with your exchange. However, just viewing access is not a very risky situation. So let's just copy the passphrase. This is very important. A lot of people mess up the API nickname and the passphrase. So if you go here, there's going to be passphrase. It's paste. Okay. We'll push create key. Let's put another code in again. All right. It's okay. The secret key, which is going to go in the secret. I'm going to delete this after. So, and then this is going to be the actual key. and we're going to have a secure import. Now, if you look, Kraken, it's going to be the same thing. Key and secret, they didn't have a passphrase. Let's try KuCoin. Go to KuCoin, key, secret, passphrase. It's the same thing. And if you have an issue, there's instructions right over here to go step by step. The API connection is the basics to get started. So if you have any other questions with that, I mean, I would just go on YouTube at that point if you can't figure this one out. But it's, but it's as easy as this, right? So like I said, just to review, you're going to click in, you're going to have a key, secret, passphrase. When you go to Coinbase Pro, you're going to get to this top logo right here. Click on that API. Most exchanges are exactly the same as that. They're no different. You go to API and then just new API key and get that information and just copy and paste it right into this section. And that is all. All right. On our next section, we're going to explain how to use a CSV. So that's a little bit different. All right. See you in the next section.